Let's create an 8-track MP3 adapter using this Pioneer TP900 head unit. We will use a generic MP3 Bluetooth module and an 8-track to cassette adapter to create a self-contained MP3 adapter that will work without modification to the player. But first we need to open up the TP900 head unit and remove the 8-track adapter, because it's stock. See, the adapter is stuck inside of the player still. Got the stuck adapter out. The door of the head unit fell into the cassette space of the adapter, causing it to jam against the door when pulling it out, so I had to prop the door up with a screwdriver to remove it. And here it is, a Sparkomatic 8-track cassette adapter. This adapter is very dirty. Here is the Bluetooth module we'll use. Let's take some measurements to fit the Bluetooth module into the cassette adapter. Here is the cut Bluetooth module face tacked onto the adapter with super glue. Let's epoxy it in place for strength. Okay, the face is epoxied onto the adapter. Let's 3D print a cover to go over the cassette port. So after a few attempts on a cheap 3D printer, I was able to get a smooth flat cover. Let's epoxy it in place now. While that's curing, let's test connecting the Bluetooth module to the amplifier circuit of the adapter. Oh no, this can't work. The diode network of the adapter also drops the voltage to 5 volts for the amplifier to use, and the Bluetooth module needs around 12 volts. Okay, let's remove the amplifier circuit and connect the Bluetooth module directly to the output head. We will need to come up with our own power solution. Genuine Amtech Flux from store.rossmangroove.com. See, the Bluetooth module needs 12 volts to work. Let's make up a bridge rectifier. I'm sure we can find a bridge rectifier, or at least some diodes in this old computer power supply. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. Those caps look too good. Let's use these 4 diodes to make a bridge rectifier. The reason we need a bridge rectifier is we don't know which polarity will be applied to the track detection pins from the head unit, so a bridge rectifier will steer the voltage to the desired polarity of the Bluetooth module. Later we will improve this design and add a 12-volt regulator and a capacitor or two, to make the adapter more versatile. Okay, so now we connect the Bluetooth adapter to the bridge rectifier. And we test it. It works. Now we connect the bridge rectifier to the input pins of the cassette adapter. Let's go back to the case now. The epoxy is cured and sanded. Let's test fit the electronics. It fits. Let's paint it black now. Let's mount the electronics into the painted case. Alright, it's done. Let's test the fitment for the first time. The fit is a bit tight, but that's okay. Let's do a full test to hear how it sounds.
It works. Winner, winner. Chicken dinner. Remember to like, subscribe and click the bell so you get notified when I upload part 2 in this series, where I'll attempt to add a 12-volt regulator and a capacitor to the bridge rectifier and also change the belt and clean the head and pole of the TP900 head unit. Also leave a comment below and tell me what type of projects you'd like to see. Thanks for watching. It worked.